Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to copy long path files from one location to another using the FastCopy application. Sometimes Windows Explorer cannot copy files because the file path is too long. You may see errors like the file name would be too long for the destination folder or path too long. FastCopy is a fast file copy and backup tool for Windows. It supports Unicode file names and file paths longer than 260 characters. Step 1. Download FastCopy. First, open your web browser. Go to the official FastCopy website, https://fastcopy.jp. Click Download and download the latest version of FastCopy for Windows. FastCopy is available for Windows and supports both 32-bit and 64-bit systems. FastCopy.jp. Step 2. Install or open FastCopy. After downloading, open the installer file. Follow the installation steps and complete the setup. Once installation is complete, open FastCopy from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. Step 3. Select the source folder. Now we need to select the folder that contains the long path files. In FastCopy, click the Source field. Browse and select the folder or file that you want to copy. For example, I'm selecting a folder from